BMW R1300RS. Yeah, great acceleration. It has so much power and especially it has so much torque. Yeah, and always at the launch I had a lot of wheel spin. It was always searching for grip, but 0 to 100 was not so bad, I would say. Yeah, and the quick shifter working well, except while shifting from 5th to 6th gear. Yeah, sometimes it got stuck in 5th. That's sad. Because I'm used to the quick shifter that it's working so well at the BMW. But today I had little problems, so maybe BMW can check this. So have fun and ride safe!